Hey, good morning. It's time for the big day. We're finally moving to Bangkok. Time has come. I already packed my suitcase. It's in front of me over here. We're gonna check out of our Airbnb in around 20 minutes and head over to the airport here in Bologna. You can probably imagine that I'm so super excited. I've been waiting for this moment for a while now, and I can't wait for this new adventure, and I thought it would be fun to take you along with me, of course, also according to the series of moving to Thailand. So we have our first flight at 3:30 from Bologna to Dubai and from Dubai to Bangkok. I'm gonna do a final check of the suitcase, get ready for checking out, heading over to the airport. And I thought it would also be fun that besides traveling and taking you along with me, also for the first things of moving in. So moving in, doing some home shopping and just the whole adventure. So I'm gonna finish this and I see you at the airport for flight number 1. We are through the security. We have checked in our suitcases and it's around 1 p.m. and we're boarding at 3, so we do have a bit of time on our hands. So we've just sat down to have a bit of lunch. We ordered some pancakes and now it's just a waiting game, but still so excited, so it doesn't really matter. Thought I'd give you a quick update from the airplane. We are 5 hours down with just 1 hour to go. In my third movie I'm watching Willy Wonka right now. But so far it's been a very enjoyable flight. We had nice food, so I'm ready for the second flight. We'll be landing in Dubai, as I said, with an hour, and after that we have a layover of around 3 hours, 3.5. So we need to wait for quite a bit, but after that we get on our final flight from Dubai to Bangkok. I'm so excited. It will be another 7 hours, so it will be around local time 2 a.m. But still, I'm so happy to even be going to Bangkok that it really doesn't matter anymore. Good morning from Bangkok. We arrived yesterday. We just woke up, got ready for the day. But it was such a hectic day yesterday. Maybe you already saw it in the clips, but we went out of, well, of course, first we checked into the new apartment for the upcoming year. After that, we did some needed home shopping, like for the bed and towels and just a few basics. We're gonna do the rest today, but it was such a hectic day that I didn't talk a lot on camera, and also we were so tired from the flight. We've been on our way for over 24 hours, so we also went to bed quite early, but we're fresh, we're ready, and we're gonna go explore the building right now and also do some grocery shopping. I'm gonna make a whole separate video with an apartment tour and showing you around, but first also the groceries. It's already a bit later, so welcome back. We did some groceries. I finished unpacking my suitcase. So the apartment is all ready and set now, so I'm happy that it can finally start, like the new adventure, the new living here in Bangkok in the apartment, that it's finally time to start. This day also flew by. It's already 4:30 in the afternoon. So these were the first moments here in Bangkok, traveling from Bologna to Bangkok, Thailand. I'm so excited. I can't wait to experience everything that at least the upcoming year will have to offer. I can't wait to share more of my upcoming time here in Bangkok. So if you don't want to miss out on anything, I would definitely subscribe. There is so much fun things coming up. And that way you can follow me along the journey. And if you have anything that you would like to see here in Bangkok specifically, then of course, let me know. Also, by the way, there will be another episode to the moving or relocation to Bangkok series, and that is going to be a complete apartment tour. I know I didn't include anything in this video, but I want to make a separate video to highlight really everything that our apartment or condo building has to offer. So that will be for the next video that will be online. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching today's video, traveling along with me from Bologna to Bangkok. And yeah, I hope to see you at the next one. Bye!